Welcome to a quick video highlighting some of the important information on this page about applying for your degree and graduation. I'm not going to read through this entire page, but I just want to draw your attention to a couple of important things. When you are ready to apply for your degree and apply for graduation, there is an application for degree form that you will need to download and fill out by particular deadlines. And these are listed right here. Because we operate on essentially a 5-term calendar here in the MFA and 5 8-week sessions, we have 5 different potential terms at which you could finish. Now, this does not mean that, let's say you actually complete all of your coursework in March, are going to finish all of your coursework at the end of a spring 1 term. If you don't meet that January 15th deadline, it's okay to apply by February 1st for May graduation. Just because you have finished your coursework in 1 8-week term does not mean that you have to have it conferred at the end of that term or anything bad happens. So if you miss a deadline, you can simply delay your actual conferral/graduation until the next 8-week term at no penalty. We have listed here those deadlines for when you are going to finish your program at the earliest point at which you would want to apply for graduation. It's important to remember that in order to graduate, you need to have earned 48 credit hours, 6 of which, the final, hopefully 6 of which, will be our 2-course thesis sequence, which is described in another video, and then 42 hours of other coursework, including this course, the Linden Ways orientation course, and then 39 other credit hours. One thing that it is worth mentioning is that if you are doing an emphasis area, that emphasis does not actually show up on your diploma. That is essentially for you to be able to say that you have done that area. In order to have that emphasis area, as mentioned in the previous page, you do need to have 27 hours of coursework in your emphasis area, inclusive of the craft foundations course in that area, and that your thesis needs to be of that sort. One other note to make here is about transfer credits. We do accept transfer credits if you have taken graduate English or creative writing coursework. We will accept up to 9 hours of such coursework as elective hours. So it does not. So even if you have taken, say, fiction foundations at another school at the graduate level, we still count that as an elective set of elective hours. The transfer process isn't automatic. There is a way that you will have to submit your transcripts for the department head and the assistant dean to review, but the sooner you want to do this, the better, so that you can apply them to your timeline. Those are the highlights here. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to reach out as you continue reviewing this